Hello everyone, welcome to Stoic Wisdom today. Imagine waking up each day with unshakable calm, clarity of purpose, and the strength to face whatever life throws your way. That's not just an idea from self-help books or motivational speeches. That's Stoicism, a 2,000-year-old philosophy that remains more relevant today than ever. But what exactly is Stoicism? Where did it come from, and why are modern thinkers, entrepreneurs, athletes, and even soldiers embracing its teachings? In this video, we'll explore the roots, core principles, and the transformative power of Stoicism, and how you can apply it to your everyday life. Origins of Stoicism. Let's begin. Stoicism was born in ancient Greece around 300 BCE, founded by a philosopher named Zeno of Citium. He taught in the Stoipoikili, a painted porch in Athens, and that's where the name Stoicism comes from. Later, Stoicism flourished in Rome thanks to iconic figures like Seneca, Epictetus, and the Roman Emperor Marcus Aurelius. But unlike many other philosophical schools, Stoicism wasn't just about debating ideas. It was about living a life of virtue, resilience, and self-mastery, no matter your status or circumstances. These Stoics believe that happiness doesn't come from wealth, fame, or comfort. It comes from living in accordance with nature. Stoicism. So what are the central teachings of this timeless philosophy? At its heart, Stoicism teaches that we should divide the world into two categories: what we can control, what we cannot control. Our thoughts, judgments, actions, these are within our power. But everything else, the opinions of others, the economy, the weather, even death, these are not. And so, the Stoic strives to focus only on what they can control, and accept everything else with grace and courage. This is summarized beautifully by Epictetus, who said, "We cannot choose our external circumstances, but we can always choose how we respond to them." Another core idea is virtue as the highest good. The Stoics believed that things like courage, wisdom, justice, and self-discipline matter more than money or pleasure. If you live with virtue, you are living a good life, no matter what happens around you. Chapter 3. Daily Practices of a Modern Stoic. You might be wondering, how can I apply this philosophy to my modern life? Here are some practical ways. Morning reflection. Start each day by asking, what challenges might I face today? How can I respond wisely? This prepares your mind for life's uncertainties. Evening review. At night, reflect on how you lived your day. Did you stay calm under pressure? Were your actions aligned with your values? Negative visualization. Picture losing what you cherish, your job, your health, your loved ones. This may sound dark, but it's a powerful way to cultivate gratitude and resilience. The dichotomy of control. Whenever you feel stressed, ask yourself, is this within my control? If not, let it go. These practices are simple, but life-changing. They help you build a mindset that is strong, adaptable, and focused on in the modern world. Today, Stoicism is undergoing a revival. Why? Because in a world full of distractions, anxiety, and chaos, people are searching for clarity and calm. Leaders like Tim Ferriss, Ryan Holiday, and Naval Ravikant are publicly embracing Stoic ideas. Athletes like Tom Brady and MMA fighters use Stoic mental training. Even the US military incorporates Stoicism into its leadership programs. You don't have to be a philosopher or a monk to live stoically. You can be a student, an entrepreneur, a parent, or a content creator, and still embody Stoicism still matters. We often chase success, recognition, or happiness, only to find that they slip through our fingers. Stoicism offers a radical alternative. Instead of trying to change the world, change how you relate to it. When you adopt Stoicism, you stop being a victim of circumstance. You become the master of your mind. You gain peace, purpose, and resilience. That's not just philosophy, that's a way of life. As Marcus Aurelius once wrote, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. So what are you waiting for? Begin your Stoic journey today. Reflect, practice, live with intention. Thank you for watching Stoic Wisdom today. If this video resonated with you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs Stoic strength in their life. Until next time, stay grounded, stay wise, and stay Stoic.